Hello, what's up you guys? So welcome back to my channel. As you know, in this channel we talk about how to save money, living frugal, and also saving money for a better tomorrow, and also for our retirement. We still want to retire early, save more money, and invest our money so that it can generate more wealth for us once we hit our retirement years. So this year has been a tough year for everyone, and everyone has been trying to save all the coins they have. So this year I decided to gift my husband something after sacrificing a lot for the whole year, and I decided to gift him something. So I want to show you what I'm gifting him, and we're going to discuss how we managed to save some money to buy the gifts that we'll be having this Christmas. It's just gifting ourselves. Don't be mean to yourself. Once you sacrifice for a long time, always find time to reward yourself. We only have one life, so you have to reward yourself at the end of the day, at the end of the year. So wacha tuone. Let's see. Hey babe, kuja, come. Sasa.
Oh, hi.
Hi. So
Yes.
So this is your gift for the whole year. After we've been sacrificing a lot to save money, so I decided to gift you with something. So
Let me see what it is. Wow. It's so nice of you. Wow. Oh my goodness. Is it this immense?
What?
Oh, Samsung. Oh my god, Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Oh my, are you serious? Wow, you're just the best. Thank you so much. Wow, I'm humbled.
Karibu sana, welcome.
So let's see how it looks. Wow. This is so interesting. I'm so excited. Oh.
Kwani una sweat?
Let's see. I don't know. I've always wanted to own this phone. I can't have it open.
Use a pen. Shika.
That's open. Wow. Is this mine?
Yes, it's
Do you know
yours.
how much it costs? You spent all that money?
We have to say I had to save for the whole year.
So guys, oh my goodness. Whoa, a blue phone. Jesus. Wow. Yeah. Wow, this is so nice. Oh my. Thank you. Guys, look what I got. And I wonder, what is all this about?
What is that?
So, did you buy this too?
No. I think it's a gift. It came with the Samsung S20.
Wow. It's an Xbox.
What? Whoa, Xbox.
XPS Bluetooth controller for mobile and cloud gaming. I think they gave you this as a gift, right?
Wow, I think so. I don't know.
You see, I think.
Oh, I think.
We'll see. Do I unbox this? Do you need to unbox this or?
I think so.
So wow, this is. I've never owned such a phone. I've never owned such a phone.
Aya, karibu. So the goal is to, the goal is to save some money and reward yourself at the end of the year.
Wow.
So mtoto analia, ameamka.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Siwashe simu.
I don't know how many. I need to.
Samsung S20.
S20
Aya, by the way, it's 5G.
Yes.
Wow. Amazing.
So excited. Thank you so much. Wow. So how did you do this? I'm so shocked. I'm surprised.
So since we started this journey for financial independence, so we decided to create a sinking fund. A sinking fund literally means just creating a small fund where you want to buy anything like miscellaneous things like gifts, or you want to gift your mom, your friend, your family. A fund that you know when you use the money it doesn't come back again. So it's not an emergency fund, so it's called a sinking fund. And that's where you save at least like $10 or 100 bob, or whichever little amount that you want to buy, or you have a goal to buy something. Let's say, for example, if you also want to buy a car, or you want to buy a shoe or some dress or some money. So you create a small goal where you'll be putting as little as $10 or $1 to create a sinking fund. In this way you're able to afford such a phone. I know it might be expensive or not expensive to some people, but the goal is to create a sinking fund where you just know this money, when it goes out, it doesn't come back, but you work for it. Remember some of the tips I said, some of the money tips I mentioned in my last video, where you have to look at the number of hours you have to work to get such a phone or to get a certain gift. So the goal is to save little by little until you reach your goal. Yes, until you reach your goal. And that's how I managed to buy this.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much. You're such an amazing lady. I appreciate.
Thank you. Asante sana.
Yeah, asante.
Thank you. Hi people. Tell the people. Tell them. Talk to them.
So, challenges to meet. I don't know what I'll get you for Christmas, but wow. Thank you. I'll figure out.
Okay, so the goal here is to always set small goals for you to achieve them. Small goals, and also set aside a certain amount that you want to use for that goal. If you don't plan for it, you end up using an emergency fund or any money that is coming in, of which you should always budget all your money. You don't buy a phone without budgeting. You don't buy anything without budgeting. I think budgeting is the first skill of financial planning, and if you want to retire early. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. So thank you so much for for watching this video and clicking. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel. We have more and more videos lined up on how to save money, how to live frugal life, but but how genuinely, okay? And also we'll probably do a Christmas tree for the whole family. A whole video. We'll be doing a Christmas tree for the whole family. So Miles here will be doing the decors with us. Okay, so see you later and peace.
Thank you.
Thank you.